It's harvest time. Let's get started. We've had non-stop rain. So finally we have a break and I have to get out here and harvest because I know we've got some major things. I've got to also come out here and prune, but again, it's about to rain again. So I need to hurry. So first up is zucchini. We got some yummy zucchini. Look at this monster. Literally, I do not recommend letting your zucchini get this big. But, again, we've had non-stop rain, so look at that big boy. And unfortunately, even though I have straw down, a lot of the strawberries are now all mushy. Fun times. Some yellow wax beans. More yellow wax beans. And more. And more. Couple of banana peppers. Now this is a snacking pepper, but because of all the rain I haven't been able to get out here, so this is a little big, but I'll take it. And another one. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these two more because I don't want them to get too big. Oh geez. Now I did have some more onions flop over. I'm trying to wait until the soil dries out a little bit more to pull them up. It's better to pull them when the soil is dry and they have a little bit more time to dry out on their own. I'm gonna wait and then I'm gonna grab them right before the storm starts. Give it a couple more hours. And some more little baby cucumbers. Now these are the pickling cucumbers, so that's why I'm picking them so little. At least I will say that the cucumbers loved all the rain. My squash on the other hand, my zucchini are fine, but my squash on the other hand are suffering. They're turning really yellow. So, okay, I'm gonna pick this one. And one more. Oh, these are snack box peppers, although they kind of look more like banana peppers. I'm kind of confused. But I'm going to go ahead and harvest this one because this was the first one and I don't like to leave the first one on the plant too long. I just find that it slows down production. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and pick up a couple of these green beans on the trellis. My other green beans, I'm waiting for them to get a little bit thicker, but these seem to be ready. Okay, and I have a couple on this trellis that were ready. I have so many tomatoes all over the place that are just waiting to be ripened. Like seriously, so many that have been on here forever. And they're just not ripening. I've tried the like potassium water, like you soak the banana and then you dump it. That hasn't worked. Like nothing has worked to turn these babies. I don't know what the deal is. So if you have any ideas, part of the reason is because it's just not been very sunny. It's been so cloudy and rainy all the time. But I just